So, as I'm thinking about small groups, I have a few different ways that I can form small groups, and I think that that's a really hard thing for teachers. It sometimes is an overwhelming thing. Certainly, one of the ways that I can form small groups is I can look at their writing and I can think about sorting it and stacking it and just doing quick scans and saying, these 4 students all could use some work on this particular skill. But another really nice way that you can organize small groups is by talking to students and really setting a culture within your writing workshop of self-assessment and goal setting. And if you have anchor charts going in your room where it clearly sets up the expectations for that genre of writing, then you can teach students to be on the lookout for what they need to work on. And it becomes a very natural process to be able to say, okay, I want you all to think about what are you working on as writers, and write that down on a Post-it, or bring that up to the anchor chart and sign up. And then all of a sudden you have little goal clubs where students have self-selected what they need to work on, and that becomes a small group, which is a really nice way to set your small groups up, not only because it gives you sort of a natural organization and plan, but it also engages them in the process, and it helps them with sort of the deepest level of thinking, which is that metacognitive, what do I need to work on in order to move on to the next step. So that's a really nice way to think about how we plan and structure our small groups.